This 2024 Forest River Timberwolf 20 OG is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features a BRYCE Canyon interior, sleeps 8. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunkhouse, loft, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.